Crest, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 93 of building the 1966 classic TV series Batmobile. That gets longer to say every time. It's very strange. Right, episode 93, obviously. Still season 2. There's lots in season 2. I Spy. It's about Mr. Freeze, obviously. It's an iceberg, so it's going to be about Mr. Freeze. It's the one where Batman and Robin risk sub-zero vaporization. Never good. Then Monster Men in the Great Comics. Thud. He's quite a big person that just punched him. Monstrous Blow. Okay. Batman 13. The New 52 reboot continues through 13. Robin IP. Joker's daughter. Okay. Batman Superman. Batman on a bike. It's not a normal bike. It's not a special super bike thing. Anyway, today we have not really much to do. We've got the indicator lights we're just putting into a frame, but we've got the rear window, which is bigger than the front window. It's a little bit strange in a car, but that's all we've got to build, so that won't take very long. Let me clear this out of the way and we'll get it done. Okay, here we are. We have the window, which is nice, plastic, transparent, does the job. Not doing anything with that. We have our two side indicators and indeed our two side indicator bulbs, which I shall snip off and insert. They're both the same by the looks of things, so it doesn't matter which one goes where. That does need to go into that hole there. There, a little bit further in there than that, I think. That'll do it. There we go. And the same on the other side. I shall snip that one off of there. Most rubbish, but no real other way of doing it. There we go. That's going to go in there again. Oh, again, the little blobby piece goes into the hole, and I drop it before I can do it. Try that again. Can't seem to get this one lined up. That's strange. The other one went in without any real trouble. This one is not liking it. I might need to dig out my small pair of tweezers. So I can actually see what we're doing. Getting it lined up. And then pushed home. There we go. Now these obviously are not illuminated. They are just transparent, right? So they go down there. They're going to go down here somewhere, I think, at some point, but not quite yet. For now, that is that part of the build completed. So thank you very much for joining me on this. Next time, we're going to be fitting this to the body itself. So it's a much bigger build part, but still not a lot to do. So stay safe, and I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.